Good afternoon. Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to probably do a day in the life of what I eat in a day. Planning to at least. I'm trying to butter some bread because I want to toast them this morning. I don't usually take butter. Try to avoid it. I actually don't even like the taste of butter that much. I'm watching a video on how to prepare content-wise for next year. And I think that's pretty interesting to learn about, to see, so that I can know where I need to work on for next year. What are some goals that I could set for next year with my content, and just give myself a general sense of what next year's content look like. Wrong side. So I am done with cooking. Let me just quickly show you guys the food. I'm having some iced tea because it's really hot. So I'm having the toast, egg toast with beef and pepper sauce, and then some apple slices. Just wanted to add some sweetness to just help me balance it out. And then here I have iced tea because I was initially going to make it hot, but the weather is so hot and I just cannot. I have a meeting in a few minutes, so I have to start eating so that I can be able to attend my meeting in time.
That looks like a remover. The noise cancellation on this, a godsend. The last time I had AirPods was 3 years ago, and I lost them in TSA, and I just never got back.
Cost savings, operational efficiencies, and new available cloud serverless, highly scalable cloud data.
Okay, so I am done with my meal, and I had some leftovers, so I just put them in this plate. I mean, I could just eat this one right now, but I'm just going to save it so I can eat it together with the rest when I have some space in my tummy. I don't know what it is about her vlogs, but I really enjoy her videos.
I just instantly started crying. Just just a bit of honey.
And she cooks a lot, so I really love videos. And that's breakfast. I'm about to join a meeting in 5 minutes. This is I'm about to join a meeting in 5 minutes. I will talk to you guys soon. Hi.
I kind of wanted to just do a different one because there's also, I was wondering if you could also do that. We could, the next second task and also third task. So those are like 3 main tasks and we kind of go from there.
Alright, sure. Also, you can let me know. I'll let you know if it's good this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, that sounds great. That's really cool because we use Notion like all the time. And
Yeah.
you know how much we love Notion, so that's awesome. It's really good to hear.
Thank you.
Great, so I'll send you the email probably after this meeting and then we'll just go back and forth, just like, you know, come up with a read that works well. And I'll just add even more detail about the tasks.
Okay. Let me explain what just happened. So I have been freelancing for a while now, and there's this client that she's really popular on YouTube. I don't want to mention her name. She has really been keeping me in mind when it comes to like admin stuff and helping her out, and I'm so grateful. I reached out to her I think a few weeks or about a month right now, I think, and she was like, yeah, sure, she'd let me know if there's anything she needs help with. She did. Like, she reached out to me when a couple days ago, I think she reached out to me on Sunday or on Saturday, something like that. And she was she reached out to me on Monday, I think. I am not sure. But it was a few days ago and she wanted to schedule a meeting. I'm so happy, so grateful that I have a client. But I'm so grateful that I have had a returning client, because that shows how good my services are, how well and how easy I am to work with. It gives me so much validation. I know that I'm not supposed to like find myself worth or validation from my work or anything external from myself, but they just took the light. But we can't lie, like I can't lie that, you know, this little validation doesn't do anything. Like, it does. It makes me feel so good. It makes me feel so grateful, and it makes me feel very happy to be doing what I'm doing. By the way, all the sounds are ceilings, zincs. I don't know what it's called, like the metal stuff that goes on top of the roof. I think it's ceiling, right? Or roofing. It's blowing, like the wind is blowing it to and fro because it's a very windy day. If you were ever wondering what that sound was, that's what it is. I'm talking super fast and I'm sweating so much because I'm very excited, and I just wanted to show you guys that I'm making progress, even small progress. I love end of year. I keep saying it, something magical always happens end of year. First, it was in 2021. I got hired for my first video editing work that I did, apart from doing video assets, which I've done before, where I learned so much. I learned about the influencer industry, brand campaigns, brand deals, social media, all of that. I haven't, like, that was my first time, 2021, and it was around November time that I got it. Last year I got 2 jobs, and I think last year I ticked off everything on my yearly goal, and that was around the end of the year. Now this end of the year, this year has been so crazy in not the best way possible. I've had so many things go wrong, so many things happen that I'm very sad about, and I'm choosing to believe that something magical always happens for me this time of the year. And you guys, Really just wanted to share with you guys because I am so grateful, so excited. By the way, if you want to work with me, you can reach out to me via email and we can talk, we can chat, and maybe we can create some magic together. So I have started writing my New Year's goals, just pondering about it, thinking about it, keeping it in my mind that I'm just like thinking like, what do I need to get done the first half of the year, what needs to get done second half, you know, all of that. I think I'm going to make a plan the year with me video, reset for next year kind of video. I don't know if you guys want that. If you do, let me know. I've been leaning more into sit down videos these days. Apologies for the noise, give me 1 second. How does that sound? Better, right? But it's a lot darker. So I've been leaning more into sit down videos, you know, just like talk with my mic stand here. Well, I've been using this. People have been asking me about, hey, I really want to get started with content creation. What device do I need? What equipment do I need for filming? Recommend this for me. And I feel like it deserves a video of its own. I own so many equipment. I think I own how many tripods now? I think I have 6 tripods. You don't need 6 tripods, you only need 1 to get started on your phone. So maybe I'll do a video beginner to advanced. I guess I don't think I'm an advanced editor, sorry, an advanced filmer. I'm not going to doubt myself. I think I have so much value to give, and I think I have so much information to share. So you guys should just let me know if you want those videos. We can plan the end of the year together. We can also talk about equipment and also reset at the end of the year. But I'm so excited. Also, someone asked me about freelancing. I don't think I want to talk about freelancing just yet. Freelancing is like up and down. We are figuring it out. Any freelancer, unless you make like thousands and thousands of dollars a year, then we're all figuring it out. Hello. Alright, so this is dinner. I'm having noodles with fried egg and some onions. And then I'm also going to have it with, excuse me, with some tea and an apple. That's how I'm going to end the night. Forget this on my head. It's not a new style. I promise it's not a new style. I just keep dropping my glasses in places where I don't even remember. So I spend so much time trying to find it again. So sometimes if I don't want it on my face, I'd rather just leave it up here. So it's not a new style. Anyway, I downloaded a new Christmas movie called Genie. You guys should go see it. It looks interesting. I won't recommend it yet, but I mean, if you've not seen it, then definitely go watch it. I'm trying to like get into the Christmas spirit. I've not done any decorating yet, so maybe might be coming soon. But yeah, I'm going to watch the Christmas movie. That's how my night is going to go. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
you told Blackstone?
No. 数学是很傻。